Good evening, everyone. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I am Rachna Chagar, early childhood enthusiast and a passionate leader. I had the privilege of working with best of brands early on in my life, like Sarah, Vivero, Little Millennium, Lexicon Kids, and so on. My longest association had been with Lexicon Kids, where I have headed their preschools, worked as a mentor, and I was also part of their audit and leadership team. Unfortunately, I am on a medical leave since last year. I had fractured my toe, but as I always looked for opportunities where I could enhance and hone the skills of my fellow team members and my passionate teachers, admission was one such platform which really helped me groom my team, and have almost been very vocal about it to my team, my teachers. But then when I saw they were not very keen on attending, so the best thing I would do is I would attend myself and help my teachers. And I'm really very happy to put it forward here that admission is one such online learning platform wherein we had best of workshops conducted, and they had been really really very helpful. And the best part is it is online, so one can attend them from anywhere. I started my journey when I did my master's program in international business. I had the opportunity to join Vodafone. My husband was already working there, so I had the opportunity to join as a fresher. But I had two young children. Cause was very close to my heart. So instead of taking up a corporate job, I chose to be in this field, and it really gave me pleasure to be, associated with early childhood, wherein I felt, I was contributing, doing my bit to groom the future of this country. So it really, because fundamental years, 0 to 6 years, is the foundation years for children. Now we have even the government, even NEP 2020, recognizing the importance of early childhood. But I was one of those who really felt early on that this is the area wherein we have to put in our efforts. If the foundation is strong, we are going to have a strong community ahead. So this has been my journey, and I am, as I said, on a sabbatical right now, and also in a transition period wherein I would be soon relocating to South Africa, and I hope I would pick up my journey from there now. I wish everyone all the very best, and I'm really humbled and appreciate admission for recognizing my efforts. Though I did not, mention so much in my profile, but yes, I had been a regular, attendee of the workshops, and I congratulate Advision for conducting such workshops. You are doing a fabulous job. Please continue the good work. And thank you so much. Thank you, Shinoli ma'am. Thank you, Vikrant sir.